System of particles in rotational motion. Solution of JEE Mains 2024 April physics questions. Question number 1. In a system, two particles of masses m1 3 kg and m2 is equal to 2 kg are placed at certain distance from each other. The particle of mass m1 is moved towards the center of the mass of system through a distance 2 centimeter. In order to keep the center of mass of the system at original position, the particle of mass m2 should move towards the center by a distance of two particles. One particle of mass m1 is 3 kg, suppose A पर है, और m2 2 kg is at point B. इनका center of mass, suppose this C is center of mass. m1 into AC will be equal to m2 into BC, or 3 into AC is equal to 2 BC. Equation number 1. Now, this m1 is displaced towards C a distance x1, that is 2 centimeter. The distance between this particle, suppose this position is A dash, AC minus x1 and m2 is moved to this B dash and this distance is x2 B dash. तो ये distance होगी CB dash will be BC minus x2. For second condition, m1 AC minus x1 will be equal to m2 BC minus x2, or 3 AC minus 2 is equal to 2 BC minus x2. 3 AC minus 6 is equal to 2 BC minus 2 x2. From equation number 1, 3 AC is equal to 2 BC. So 2 BC minus 6 is equal to 2 BC minus 2 x2. 2 BC से 2 BC क्रॉस हो गया. 2 x2 is equal to 6. x2 is 6 by 2, 3 centimeter. This will be 3 centimeter. Question number 2. 4 particles A, B and C and D of mass m, 2m and 2m and 4m have the same momentum respectively. The particle with the maximum kinetic energy is, this is P. So E kinetic energy E, KE होता है वो P square upon 2m. P is constant, hence KE is inversely proportional to m. m जिसका मास का कम होगा उसकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी मैक्सिमम होगी, hence this particle which has m by 2 mass will have maximum kinetic energy, and this is option 2. Question number 3. When the kinetic energy of body becomes 36 times of original value, the percentage increase in momentum of body will be. काइनेटिक एनर्जी K का फॉर्मूला होता है P स्क्वायर अपॉन 2m और P स्क्वायर इज K इंटू 2m और P स्क्वायर इज K इंटू 2m का अंडर रूट P. Hence P initially, suppose this is P1 and K1 into 2m. Initial kinetic energy is K1. K2 becomes 36 times of K1. So P2 will be K2 into 2m under root or 36 K1 into 2m under root or 6 under root K1 into 2m, and K1 into 2m is this P1. So 6 P1. Percentage increase in momentum P2 minus P1 by P1 into 100%, 6 P1 minus P1 by P1 into 100, this is 500%. Fourth option is correct. Question number 4. Three bodies A, B, C have equal kinetic energy and their masses are 400 gram, 1.2 kg, 1.6 kg respectively. The ratio of their linear momenta is, जो m1 है that is 0.4 kg, m2 is 1.2 and m3 is 1.6. Equal kinetic energy, suppose kinetic energy is K. So K is equal to P square by 2m or P is equal to 2mk under root or P is directly proportional to m under root. K1, P1 is directly proportional to m1 का अंडर रूट और इनको हम ग्राम में भी कर सकते हैं. m1 is 400, m2 is 1200 and this is 1600 gram. So P1 is directly proportional to 400 under root or 20. P2 is directly proportional to or 20 root 3. P3 40. So ratio of P1 ratio P2 ratio P3 will be 20 ratio 20 root 3 40. This is 1 ratio root 3 ratio 2. Option 2 is correct. A player caught a cricket ball of mass 150 gram moving at a speed of 200 meter per second. If the catching process is completed in 0.1 second, the magnitude of force exerted by the ball on the hand of the player. Force, exerted force is rate of change of momentum. Initial momentum is m into v and final is 0. So, change in momentum will be mass into velocity और divided by time से कर देंगे तो this will give rate of change of momentum 30 Newton. Option 4 is correct. Sixth, a uniform thin metal plate of mass 10 kg with dimensions is shown in the figure. The ratio x and y coordinates of the center of the mass of the plate is n by 9. The value of n is. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. मास इसको जो मेटल प्लेट को हमने 3 पार्ट में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. इसका मास सपोज m1 एंड दिस इज m2 एंड m3. One centimeter, this is 1 unit. AE is 1 unit and 1 unit, 2 unit, 1 unit and 2 unit. Mass per unit area, suppose that is sigma. M1 will be area of ABCE, area over 2 into 1 and sigma 2 sigma. M2 is equal to 1 into 1 into sigma is equal to sigma. M3 will be 2 into 1 sigma is equal to 2 sigma. Total mass is 5 sigma and that is given as 10 kg. Center of mass of A, B, C, D, E will be, से कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे 0.51. M2 के कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे सेंटर ऑफ मास 1.5 in 0.5 एंड इसके होंगे M3 के x होगा इसका 2.5 एंड 1. तो x कोऑर्डिनेट होगा of this plate. X will be m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 2 sigma mass into distance 0.5. M2 is sigma into 1.5 plus 2 sigma into 2.5 by total mass is 5 sigma. sigma plus 1.5 sigma plus 5 sigma by 5, 7.5 sigma by 5 sigma is equal to 1.5 यूनिट। x कोऑर्डिनेट आता है 1.5, y कोऑर्डिनेट होगा y m1 y1, m1 is 2 sigma and y1 is 1 plus m2 into y2 5 plus m3 into 1 by total mass 2 sigma plus 0.5 sigma plus 2 sigma by 5 sigma, 4.5 sigma by 5 sigma, this comes 0.9। तो रेशियो होगा x रेशियो y is equal to 1.5 ratio 0.9, 15 by 9, and this is given n by 9, hence n is 15. This n will be, value of n will be 15. Question number 7. A solid sphere and a hollow cylinder rolls up without slipping on same inclined plane with same initial velocity v. The sphere and the cylinder reaches up to maximum height h1 and h2 respectively above the initial level. The ratio h1 by h2 is n by 10. The value of n is, suppose mass of this solid sphere is m1 and radius is r1. Mass of hollow cylinder is m2 and radius is r2. Total energy of, जब रोल करेंगे, सपोज दिस इज a sphere rolling and ये inclined plane at theta. And it goes a height of h1. Solid sphere. Speed v. Total energy will be translational plus rotational energy. Translational energy is half mv square and rotational will be half I omega square. Half mv square plus half जो solid cylinder का I होता है mr square and for non slipping so m1 r1 into omega by r1 का square 1 by 2 m1 v square plus 1 by 5, this is v, m1 v square. This is 7 by 10 m1 v square, and this k will convert in potential energy at the highest point, and potential energy will be u, and u will be mgh1, m1g M1 से M1 क्रॉस हो गया, H1 इज इक्वल टू 7v² by 10g, इक्वेशन नंबर 1. नाउ होलो सिलेंडर, सेकेंड केस में होलो सिलेंडर, theta, and hollow cylinder goes up to height h1 h2. So mass m2, radius r2, and center की speed is v. So total energy k1 will be kt1 plus kr1. रूट ट्रांसलेशनल एनर्जी होगी 1/2 m2v² प्लस हाफ I ओमेगा स्क्वायर. 1/2 mv² प्लस हाफ, जो सॉलिड सिलेंडर, ये जो होलो सिलेंडर का मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट एक्सिस होगा m2r2² इंटू ओमेगा होगा v/r2². हाफ m2v² प्लस हाफ m2v² इज इक्वल टू m2v². जब ये हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर पहुंचेगा तो दिस एनर्जी k1 विल कन्वर्ट इन potential energy, and potential energy will be m2gh2. m2 से m2 क्रॉस हो गया, h2 is v²/g. Ratio of h1 ratio h2 is 7/10 v²/g, and divided by v²/g, this is 7/10, and this is given as n/10. So n will be 7. n की वैल्यू 7, this is 7. Question number 8. Ratio of radius of gyration of hollow sphere to that of solid cylinder of equal mass for moment of inertia about their axis AB as shown in the figure is under root 8/x the value of x is for hollow sphere. AB is diameter, तो I होगा moment of inertia, IAB will be 2/3 mass is m, इसका भी mass m, mr². And this will be equal to m, अगर होलो स्फीयर का k रेडियस ऑफ जायरेशन इज k1, तो m k1². m से m क्रॉस हो गया, k1 विल बी √2/3r. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Now solid cylinder, this is AB axis. Radius, suppose this is R and suppose इसकी length L is L and mass is M. x डिस्टेंस पर इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अगर हम ए बी के अबाउट डेरिवेट करें, हमने x डिस्टेंस पर एक एलिमेंटल डिस्क एज्यूम की जिसकी थिकनेस इज dx और एक इसकी यहाँ से डिस्टेंस होगी x, एक्सिस जो पैरेलल इज AB and passing diametrically to the elemental disk, एक एज्यूम किया A डैश B डैश, इसका मास dm, तो जो डिस्क है उसको मास पर यूनिट लेंथ, मास पर यूनिट लेंथ of cylinder, that is m by L, mass of elemental disk, इसकी लेंथ इज dx, तो ये होगा m by L dx and this is suppose dm. Moment of inertia of this elemental disk about this AB, अगर d I A B A dash B dash से denote करें तो that will be dm r square by 4 और अगर इसका एलिमेंटल डिस्क का हम मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट ए बी लें तो डी ए बी डी आई ए बी will be, this is d is equal to x, dm r square by 4 plus dm into d square or dm by 4 r square plus dm into x square. dm की वैल्यू पुट कर दी तो r स्क्वायर बाई 4 इंटू m बाई एल डी एक्स प्लस m बाई एल डी एक्स स्क्वायर, डी ए बी डी आई ए बी इज इक्वल टू m r स्क्वायर बाई 4l dx प्लस m x स्क्वायर बाई एल डी एक्स। हमने इंटीग्रेट कर दिया 0 to L डिस्टेंस, mr square by 4l dx plus 0 to L m by L x square dx. mr square by 4l x 0 to L plus m by L x cube by 3 0 to L mr square by 4l into L plus m by 3l into L cube. mr square by 4 plus ml square by 3. In our case L is 4, R value put कर दी, L is equal to 4R. IAB will be mr square by 4 plus m 4r का square by 3. mr square by 4 plus 16 mr square by 3, 12, 3 plus 64 mr square and 67 by 12 mr square. And अगर radius of gyration is k2, this will be m k2 का square, m से m क्रॉस हो गया, k2 is 67 by 12 under root r or 67 under root 2 root 3 r. K1 is root 2 by 3 r and K2 is 67 root by 2 root 3 r. So K1 by K2 will be root 2 into 2 by 67 root 8 by 67 under root, and this is given as 8 by x under root. So x will be 67. X की value is 67. This fourth option is correct. A hollow sphere is rolling on a plane surface about its axis of symmetry. The ratio of rotational kinetic energy to its total energy is x by 5, the value of x. Hollow sphere is rolling. Suppose इसका mass is m and radius is r and speed v center की. So rotational kinetic energy kr will be half I omega square or 1 upon 2. This is hollow sphere, 2 by 3 mr square into v by r का square, 1 by 3 mv square. And translational kinetic energy will be half mv square. Total energy K is kr plus kt. Kr is half 1 by 3 mv square plus 1 by 2 mv square. This is 6, 2 plus 3 mv square. This is 5 by 6 mv square. Ratio of rotational Kr by K will be 1 by 3 mv square on 5 by 6 mv square, or 2 by 5 mv square. So, by mv square, this is 2 by 5, and this is given x by 5. So, x will be 2. Question number 10. If the radius of earth is reduced to 3/4 of its present value without change in its mass, then value of the duration of the day earth will be hours and 30 minutes. Earth की radius is r and mass is m. I1 is solid sphere 2 by 5 mr square, omega 2 pi रेडियन राउंड करता है इन 24 आवर्स, तो रेडियन पर आवर और पाई बाई 12 रेडियन पर आवर. ओमेगा 1. L1 will be angular momentum 2 by 5 mr square into pi by 12 pi by 30 mr square. L1 question 1. Second case में this change in R1, and R1 is 3 by 4 R. Mass is same. So, I2 will be 2 by 5 m R1 square, 2 by 5 m into 3 by 4 r का square, 2 by 5 into 9 by 16 mr square. This is 9 by 40 mr square. Suppose omega 2 is angular velocity in radian per hour. So, L2 will be I2 omega 2 or 9 by 40 mr square omega 2. No torque is applied, hence L1 will be L2. So, pi by 30 mr square will be equal to 9 by 40 mr square omega 2. mr स्क्वायर से mr स्क्वायर क्रॉस हो गया. ओमेगा 2 is 4 by 27 pi radian per hour. time taken to complete a round is equal to t, or angle will be 2 pi. So, t will be theta upon omega 2 pi by 4 pi by 27, or 27 by 2 hours, or 13 hours 30 minutes. This is 13. Question number 11. Three balls of masses 2 kg, 4 kg and 6 kg respectively are arranged at the center of edges of an equilateral triangle of side 2 meter. The moment of inertia of the system about an axis through the centroid and perpendicular to the plane of the triangle will be. एक equilateral triangle this is 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, this is A, B, C. यहाँ पर सेंटर पर E, F, G, F पर 2 kg का, E पर और 4 और 6, यहाँ पर 4 kg एंड दिस इज 6 kg. तो वेट रखें. सेंट्रोइड अगर इनको मिड पॉइंट से मिला दें तो जहाँ ये क्रॉस करेंगे दैट इज द सेंट्रोइड. दिस सेंट्रोइड इज O. This will be 30 degree and this BF will be 1 meter. तो ये डिस्टेंस H tan 30 degree will be OF by BF. OF is H by 1. 1 by root 3 is equal to H. 1 by root 3 मीटर. ये सभी डिस्टेंसेस विल बी सेम. H. तो मोमेंट ऑफ inertia of the system about centroid and perpendicular to this, अगर इसको हम m1 से डिनोट करें, ये दिस इज m2 एंड दिस इज m3. तो मोमेंट ऑफ सिस्टम होगा m1 h स्क्वायर प्लस m2 h स्क्वायर प्लस m3 h स्क्वायर, m1 प्लस m2 प्लस m3 h स्क्वायर. 2 प्लस 4 प्लस 6 और h इज रूट 3 का स्क्वायर. ट्वेल्व इंटू 1 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 4 kg मीटर स्क्वायर. This is 4. Question number 12. A thin circular disk of mass m and radius r is rotating in the horizontal plane about an axis passing through its center perpendicular to the plane with angular speed omega. If another disk of same dimensions but of mass m2 is placed gently on the first disk coaxially, then the new angular velocity of the system is, जो डिस्क नंबर 1 है उसका I1 होगा मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया mr²/2 और m/2 वेट की जो होगा उसका होगा m/2 r²/2 और mr²/4। L1 होगा I1 एंगुलर मोमेंटम इनिशियल ओमेगा इज इक्वल टू mr²/2 ओमेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, जो कंबाइंड मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ द टू डिस्क होगा I1 प्लस I2। I1 इज mr²/2 and this is mr²/4, 3/4 mr², and suppose angular velocity is omega 1, तो L2 होगा I omega 1 और 3/4 mr² omega 1. No torque is acting, so L1 will be L2, mr²/2 omega will be 3/4 mr² omega 1, mr² से mr² क्रॉस हो गया, this is 4/3 into omega/2 or 2/3 omega. Option 3 is correct. Question 13. A block is simply released from the top of an inclined plane as shown in the figure. The maximum compression in the spring when the block hits the spring is. The height from ground tan sin 30 degree is equal to 5 मीटर। तो यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगी mgh, m is 5 and suppose g is 10 and 5, 250 joule. This 250 joule will convert here, suppose this point is, this is A, B, B पर जो काइनेटिक एनर्जी होगी, काइनेटिक एनर्जी एट B will be 250 जूल। सपोज इसमें जो स्प्रिंग में कंप्रेशन है दैट इज x, so this 250 joule will be consumed in working against friction between B and C, and remaining will convert in potential energy of the spring. This total distance is 2 plus x. अगर ये BC पोर्शन देखें तो यहाँ पर ये इस पर फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स क्या एक्ट करेगा, इसका वेट, मास इज 5 kg, वेट होगा 5 into 10 50 न्यूटन। रिएक्शन भी R होगी, तो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स विल बी म्यू आर एंड 0.5 R की वैल्यू होगी 50 न्यूटन 25 न्यूटन। वर्क डन against friction frictional force into distance moved 50 plus 25x joule. Potential energy of spring will be half kx square, and k is 100, 1 by 2 into 100 x square is equal to 50 x square. So, the kinetic energy will be the sum of this work against friction and this Pe of spring. The potential energy Pe of spring plus work done against friction is equal to this kinetic energy K. 50 x square plus 50 plus 25 x is equal to 250. 50 x square plus 25 x plus 50 minus 250 is equal to 0, or 50 x square plus 25 x minus 200 is equal to 0. 25 से डिवाइड कर दिया तो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस x माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो x होगा -1 प्लस अंडर रूट 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू 2 इंटू माइनस 8 divided by 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 plus 64 under root by 4 minus 1 plus 65 root 4, and this is approximate 2 meter. This is 2 meter. Fourth option is correct. Question number 14. A heavy iron bar of weight W is having its one end on the ground and the other end on the shoulder of a person. The bar makes an angle theta with the horizontal. The weight experienced by the person is. This is ground. बार यहाँ पर मेन शोल्डर दिस इज थीटा. ये AB is AB heavy bar. Suppose AB is L, इसका सेंटर इज C. यहाँ पर इसको वेट डाउनवर्ड एक्ट करेगा. Suppose normal reaction of the this shoulder is N, and frictional force of on the due to this shoulder is upward, and this is suppose F. और हम अलग से बनाएं थीटा नॉर्मल फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स F and N, वेट इसका सेंटर पर W, AB is L, this point is C. This is 90 degree. तो रिजल्टेंट होगा N और F का, that is weight experienced by the man. Moment about point B, moment of force is about B. N into L is equal to W into L by 2 cos theta. इसकी रिएक्शन ग्राउंड रिएक्शन होगी, सपोज दिस इज N1. N1 and F passes through B, hence their moment of force will be 0. तो N की वैल्यू आ जाती है W by 2 cos theta. इसका N का हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें और F का कैलकुलेट करें, दिस एंगल इज थीटा and this much is 90 minus theta, and F का जो हॉरिजॉन्टल से एंगल होगा that is theta. Horizontal component of N and F will cross each other. तो N का हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट होगा N cos 90 minus theta will be F cos theta, और N sin theta is equal to F cos theta. इक्वेशन 1 से N की वैल्यू पुट कर दी, W by 2 cos theta into sin theta is equal to F cos theta. cos theta से cos theta क्रॉस हो गया, F is W by 2 sin theta. अगर weight experienced by the man is R, suppose this is R, R होगा N square plus F square under root 1 by W by 2 cos theta square plus W by 2 sin theta का स्क्वायर अंडर रूट, और W by 2 cos स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस sin स्क्वायर थीटा अंडर रूट W by 2 into 1, or this is W by 2. The weight experienced by the man will be option 2, W by 2. Question number 15. A string is wrapped around a rim of wheel of moment of inertia 0.4 kg meter square and radius 10 centimeter. The wheel is free to rotate about the axis initially while is at rest. The string is now pulled by force 40 Newton. The angular velocity of the wheel after 10 seconds is x radian per second, where x is एक wheel पर एक फोर्स F is 40 Newton, radius 10 centimeter, R is equal to 10 centimeter or 0.10 meter. इसका I, moment of inertia about the axis of rotation is 40.4 kg per meter square. Initial angular velocity omega dot is 0, time t is 10 second. So torque applied on this wheel is F into R or 40 into 0.1 4 Newton meter. Torque is equal to I into alpha. Alpha is angular acceleration. Torque upon I, torque is 4 and I is 0.4, 10 radian per second square. Omega is equal to omega dot plus alpha into t. Omega dot is 0 plus 10 into t is 10, 100 radian per second. So x is equal to 100 radian, 100. Question number 14. A circular disc reaches from the top to bottom of inclined plane of length L. When it slips down, it takes t second. When it rolls down the plane, then it takes alpha by 2 to the power half t seconds, where alpha is. A circular disc first condition, this is slips down. इसका जो weight is, अगर इसका mass m and radius is r, mg डाउनवर्ड एक्ट करेगा, इसका एक कंपोनेंट mg sin theta will act parallel to the inclined and downward. The acceleration A will be mg sin theta by m g sin theta, और ये L डिस्टेंस चलने में t टाइम लेता है. L is equal to ut plus half at square. U is 0, 0 into t plus half g sin theta t square. तो यहाँ से t की वैल्यू आ जाती है 2L by g sin theta का अंडर रूट. This is equation number 1. Now it rolls down. सेकेंड कंडीशन में रोल्स डाउन. जब रोल्स डाउन करेगा तो एक्सेलरेशन होता है mg sin थीटा बाई m plus I by r square, and this is circular disc. mg sin theta by m plus जो सर्कुलर डिस्क का मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज mr स्क्वायर बाई 2 r स्क्वायर. mg sin थीटा अपॉन 3m बाई 2 और 2 बाई 3 g sin थीटा. सपोज इस कंडीशन में टाइम इज t1. तो L will be half a1 t1 square or half into 2/3 g sin theta t1 square, and t1 comes to be 3l by g sin theta का अंडर रूट। और अगर इसको t की वैल्यू t इज गिवन एज √2 जो कैलकुलेट किया है, दिस इज t। तो t लाने के लिए हम ऊपर नीचे इसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, 2 से ही डिवाइड कर दें। 3/2 रूट इंटू 2l बाई जी साइन थीटा अंडर रूट √2, and this is t, and this is given as alpha by 2 half t. So alpha by 2 will be equal to 3/2, alpha is equal to 3। अल्फा की वैल्यू होगी दैट इज 3।